Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to design this table by using SOLIDWORKS software. My names are Senjumba Tofins. Let's start. So open new tab. So come sketch, choose 3D sketch, then go to center rectangle, choose center rectangle, start from origin, press tab so that black lines goes up, then select, choose smart dimension, give it 1250. Okay, choose this one, make it 700. Right click, select. So now my sketch is still underdefined, so I'm going to define this lines, make it along x axis. Choose this one, make it along z axis. So my sketch is now fully defined. So I'm going to add legs, choose line. So press tab key so that you obtain y z axis. Select another line, start from corner, select another line, so define that can rotate to check what you have done. So this is good. So select smart dimension, go to smart dimension, choose smart dimension, then make this line, give this line dimensions, make it 700. Okay, so add relations. We are going to add relation. Select this line, control, select this one and this one, so make them equal, or come here, make them equal. Good. So now my sketch is fully defined. So choose line again, start from here, press tab, click select, choose another line, right click select, choose another line, click select, choose another line, click select, choose line, choose line, select. So we are going to define these lines. Go to smart dimensions, distance from this line up to this one, make it 500, and from this one up to this, make 250. Have 300, and from this one up to this, uh, 300. Choose this one, 400, 375. Yes, good. So from this point up to this one, give it 150. So my sketch is now predefined. So this is good. My sketch is now full defined. So we are going to add cubes structure member. So exit the sketch, go to element, choose structure member, choose ISO standard, choose square tube configured, choose size of the tube 30, make new group number 1. Choose this one as group number 1, belong to group number 1, choose this side, choose 1 and choose 1. Okay, make another group 2, choose this leg, choose 1, this leg. Make group number 3, choose this one first, choose this one, you see, choose this one like this. Okay, group number 4 belong to this line and this line. Good. So now you see the table is starting to appear. Then zoom, select this face, select this face, number 2. Go to sketch, come, choose center point, straight slot. Start from origin and this line, then scroll. Good. Go to smart dimension, choose the distance from this line up to this one, make it 85. Okay, so my sketch is now predefined. My sketch is now predefined. Go to features, extrude boss base, thickness is 60. Thickness is 60. Okay, good. So come here, choose. First of all, hide this one. Hide this one. Hide. So number 2. Choose corner rectangle. Corner rectangle. Start from this point. Come to this one. Select isometric. Rotate your views with this. You see. Bring this one to match with this one. You have to match this to be better. Good. So that is better. So also I want to match this one from this corner from this on my cube. It goes beyond, so bring to this one. Good. So rotate. Go to features. Go to features. Extrude boss base. Blind up to surface. Extrude up to surface. Choose the surface. Surface is this. So good. So much better. So rotate your views. Your sketch. You see my table is now created. So go to the appearance, select this one, go to appearance here, choose appearance, go to appearance, come and choose organic. You see organic, then select wood property. So I can choose polished wood bridge. So jelly, I select a basic tool your needs. I select this one, make it body. So very good. Select, go to appearance again, select polished wood. Okay, you can choose use, problem, make it full body. So my table now start to appear very much better, so much better. So you can, you see, you can now cover this surface, bottom surface of your leg, of your tube. You can cover it to prevent damaging your column. So select this one, go to element, choose end cap. You see now I'm going to cover it. So choose this face again, very nice, so much better. So choose this one again to cover my tubes, to prevent to damage my column. So choose this one, then okay. So now my tube is being covered. As you see, it cannot damage my column. So you see my tube is now covered, it cannot damage my tubes or column. So guys, this is the way of designing that tubes, that table. So make sure you have subscribed to my channel, like and comment to get more videos. I hope you will enjoy with the next videos for designing chairs and also something concerning to these tables. So I hope you enjoy. So thanks for today. See you on next videos. Thank you.